Fujian Skystone Intelligent Equipment Co., Limited, as a wholly owned subsidiary of Skystone Group, has an investment amount of 500 million yuan and possesses a manufacturing base exceeding 50,000 square meters. Since 2003, we have been committed to continuous research in polyurethane bonding pouring technology and focused on the R&D and manufacturing of polyurethane products. With advanced process technology, high-quality raw materials, and unique formulations, we strive to achieve outstanding performance in polyurethane wheels. Skystone Wheel is capable of providing customers with polyurethane wheel products of superior quality and competitive prices, as well as customizing products for various complex working conditions and harsh environments according to customer requirements. After decades of lean management practices, our products have achieved groundbreaking accomplishments in the industry, with forklift wheel products perfectly compatible with mainstream brands such as Toyota, Lind, and Henka, further enhancing the overall performance and stability of the forklifts. The company's polyurethane wheels not only achieve industry-leading performance, but also achieve wide coverage in adaptability, successfully winning high trust from the market and customers. Meanwhile, Skystone is committed to providing comprehensive wheel industry solutions across various sectors, including AGV casters, heavy manufacturing, freight logistics, photovoltaic equipment, and other fields. Our solution not only meets the needs of the standard wheel industry, but also provides personalized design for specific application scenarios, ensuring that each wheel can perform at its best in various complex working conditions. In addition, Skystone can provide customized solutions for customers. Whether it's customized special sizes or specific material requirements, our technical team will rely on rich experience and profound professional knowledge to design the most suitable polyurethane wheel solution, based on your specific needs and working conditions. Skystone adheres to the customer-centric corporate values, providing professional after-sales service to customers, ensuring timely technical support and solutions during use. The company continuously promotes technological innovation and oversees market expansion, with the goal of leading the global polyurethane wheel product market.